Oh, shoot.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Nice. Okay, Jet's coming around again.
Dude, I'm gonna make this AA's life hell. I think that's the last thing I do.
What is
Back left,
this?
yep. Point left, there we go. Nice.
Oh, Conrad! That's not what I thought you were targeting. Nice. Alright, that's the first jet of the day.
See the...
That there.
Yeah, it's gotta be coming for us, or it's gotta be like turning around or something.
Right. How about I just
Yeah.
chase it real quick?
Yeah, let's see what happens.
Also, the tow missile doesn't have limited range.
Ah. Uh-huh. Oh, that was ridiculously
even-
close.
even
Hang on,
closer than
hang on.
us.
Keep pointed at it. Keep pointed at it for a second.
It'll probably come back in at us, eh? Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Yeah, oh my god! Conrad!
Alright, hello. TV?
Oh. Oh, I totally
Got him!
missed that. No, do you tow him? Nice.
Yep.
Tow and swap to Zuni's, like, while the tow is still en route. Damn it. Oh, that was gorgeous. Nah.
Oh shoot, tank down there. What just happened?
There's a guy with the DMR taking pawn shots at us, and I just towed him on our flyover.
Holy shit.
It was so unnecessary, but it was perfect. Just slam right in the kisser.
Above. Hang on.
Above?
At the tower. It's empty. Oh god, friendlies. Come on, friendlies.
Screw the friendlies, dude. Do it yourself.
Job done right.
If you want a job done right, I just hear an
Don't send me.
explosion.
Yeah. Hello. Hang on.
What's up?
Tower.
Yes, that's a good idea. Oh, hi. Okay, we won't worry about that.
That was enemy. Yep, nice, nice. And there's a guy still up here. Nope,
Kill.
nope,
I
you
think
don't
that
get
was
to
all
get
of
up. Okay, yep, and we are camping it back.
We appear to be clear. Okay, one sec. There's some infantry back on that building. Oh!
Yeah.
I mean, fair enough, but oh.
Hilo. Attacking the tower.
Attacking the tower. Gotcha. One sec here. Oh. Let's get out of here, shall we? Let's
Yep.
not deal with the tank at that range. And altitude, mostly altitude.
Yeah. Tower, point me. Oh, come on! So many near misses.
Oh! That wasn't a near miss. It was
enough
near,
to
though.
not.
Yeah, it was definitely near. It's not a miss. Good kill. Alright, what's the Oh, they own Charlie. I think we know what to do. This is seriously like the single best, like, murdering infantry objective possibly in the game. Ow. Well, we're, I think, about to have to get out of here. What do you say?
I agree. Ah, come on. You didn't run him
The
over?
man can dream. Oh, yeah, actually, that's a good point. I should have rammed him. Oh, wait, actually, let's check E first.
Oh, oh, oh!
What?
The attack helo just went by. On the right.
Yeah.
Front, left.
1 second.
Okay, keep going around. No.
I hit him with 1 Zuni. man can dream. Got him. He wasn't even. Where were you, Gunner?
Point me up at the tower real quick.
Yep. Our preliminary bombardment before we go in for the assault.
Is it going down?
I don't think so. I hope not. Oh, AA mine.
Yeah, that was probably smart. But now they can't do anything to us, haha! Can't reload that shit.
Kills. Once I think we've got it unlocked, I'm gonna go take us to rep, but we don't have it unlocked just yet. Oh, hi.
Oh, these poor bastards.
Yeah. Yeah, abandoned ship. You know what, let's see if we can get the cap.
Oh!
Hi, Cruz. Alright. That was a successful run again.
That could have hurt us.
That could have done a lot of damage. A lot more than damage, actually. I don't think there would be anything left of us to be considered damaged.
That also would have been freaking amazing if Commander TV.
Enemy attack chopper is directly front. Low altitude, don't think he sees us.
Oh, no! Not like... Oh my god.
Okay, I gotta record that. That was... I just didn't even shoot because I saw it coming. I'm like, he's gonna, yeah. Oh, that was a triple kill. Oh.
Oh
Okay.
no.
Conrad, this is the game of clips. Holy.
Yeah. I haven't even hit anything. Ah, come on.
We gotta get out of here badly.
Yep.
Methinks that might be us. Yeah, we're the HVT. Shocking.
Which one?
I think it's you. Yeah, nope.
Probably.
Well, I think
Oh,
it's
it's
just the
you.
vehicle. I think it's just the vehicle. I think this tags the vehicle.
Hmm.
Shall we get the extra points?
Yeah, let's do it. Point me, yes.
Oh, that's a good hit. Good
There
hit.
we go, finally hit something. Point me at the other one.
Oh, hi. He's on. I hit him 80, dude. Good kill. Good kill. Rip. I'll kill his HVT. Wow, 50 points to kill. That's no joke. Okay.
Is that a cruise mode now? That's...
Oh, hi. Oh, there's so many! What? How many kills was that? We wiped them, dude. Oh my god! I got 1,400 points! What was that?
Oh no!
Okay. They're not gonna know what hit them. Oh, maybe they will.
Dun, 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 dun. No, that's not the right one to be playing at all, but I don't care.
Oh. Put your stinger away.
Bam.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know there's another. Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Oh shit.
Yep.
Okay.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Shoot, well, I got one of them.
Nice.
Hopefully this one will hurt less bad. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, maybe it's time playing this.
Yeah. That got pretty spicy. you up? Where? Oh, hi.
Hang on. Wait for him to come around.
Yeah. Godspeed. Oh, that was dirty. Okay, I see you.
I'm hitting things again. Hang on this building.
Yeah. Good kill.
Got him.
We're gonna just lurk here for a sec, okay? Get our ECM back. What? The XC guys have no idea what's hitting them. And we have admins, so they cannot ban us. Alright. You think they're ready for this? Because I don't think they're ready for this. Hi! Oh wow, that was brutal. That was brutal, Conrad. You should feel shame.
I don't. Not at all. Not the slightest.
That was terrible flying on my part. Give me a sec. Oh, hi. I ran him over. Eat that. Okay, let's go. We are just the terror of the enemy team. This is so
Yeah.
Okay, see the BTR there?
Yep.
Wait, now I've lost track of it. Oh, tank and BTR. Whew. Tight squeeze, but we got there. And let's go another bout for the tank, shall we? Disabled. That's not gonna hurt, apparently. Oh! Did that? Oh, okay, that was a friendly javelin. Okay. I thought the enemy took a shot at us, missed, and blew up their own tank for a sec.
That was absolutely amazing.
Yeah, that would have been just cherry on the top for how this game's been going. Oh, enemies contesting our point. This is a matter of honor.
Go home.
Yeah.
Go home.
They're shooting a tow missile into their corpse. There was a guy in there. I knew there was a guy in there.
Hang on. Okay. Transport chopper on the other, or not transport. Attack on the other. Wait, where'd it go?
Where?
I lost it. It was down here. It's back in their spawn. It's gaining ECM. It's coming back.
Behind us. There's a guy parachuting down.
Okay, hang on. Chopper's on the way.
Gotcha. Where from? Oh yeah, I see it.
Oh shoot. Ah.
That was a very aggressive attempt, but I appreciate it. Oh, he must have had 0 health.
Oh yeah.
51 damage.
Mobility hit.
Nice. Ah, I feel kind of gross. Transport.
And no. Sorry, buddy.
Disabled with rockets.
Vehicle mobility kill with
TV.
Yeah.
Alright, back to our point. Which they're mildly contesting, but it's always enough for me to be worried about it. No. Nobody takes copper. Nobody.
Copper.
It's not nobody trying though. Fair. I think would you say it's safe to say half their team is running Stingers? Is that too excessive?
That's a fair assessment.
Like,
Point up.
There's only
left.
20 people up left. Oh yeah.
Shoot, I missed.
Oh, I didn't.
Holy shit!
Oh.
That's not disgusting.
Love tap.
I
Got
appreciate the effort, buddy.
Oh my gosh, I gotta.
Alright, are you ready? We can pull this off.
Okay, I'm currently attack jet horn.
No, like, sorry. You don't need to come with me anytime soon. Just, you know, if you're interested in trolling with me, I'd really appreciate the backup. I promise I won't run into the railway this time. Hi. 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 Oh, damn, I thought you were gonna go over me, so I pulled up really hard. I thought you were gonna go above me, and I was gonna, like, be all cash and catch you and be like, fuck you, and we'd explode, it'd be awesome. But...
It was not to be.
Can you get that little bird's attention so he doesn't see my asshole?
Oh, I could J-dam him!
Wait, you got the little bird with the J-dam?
Because he tried to, like, hide behind the roof there, so I J-dammed the roof and blew him up. So yeah, Little Bird's pretty clear for the time being. Okay, I'm taking back off. AA just spawned in.
Yep, he's already shooting us. Conrad, how do you feel about AA?
Say again?
I personally think spawn camping anything.
Spawn camping the AA is okay, because AAs are all
because it's right there in their spawn. Oh, I liked where we were down in the ditch. It was exposed. Wait, that's the tank. There's the AA.
God, that poor bastard didn't even get to move before he got hit. What's
a little bird
us?
behind.
Lock it.
Oh,
it's too high. Okay, now I'm locked.
I J-dammed the AA and
nice.
spawn.
Stay still. Stay still.
I just got locked by something. Can't seem to keep its lock though.
Okay, good to go. Okay, Jack, I spotted it still. Oh wait, no, it's not you. It's not on you.
Oh,
Conrad, turn your gun around.
Where's
wait, no, you're good. You're good. You're good. Sorry.
Where's the stealth jet?
Oh, little bird behind. Little bird behind. I got him lazed.
Missile away.
Thank you. He's behind still. You think you can hit him?
Looking. Missed.
Almost. Attack helo?
Attack helo, yeah. Attack helo.
What? Why didn't he block that?
Finished him.
Oh god.
AA is right under there. You got a transport by you too.
Shoot, I can't, I have no
Don't worry,
sense.
friendly little bird's got it. He's dead.
Nice, okay.
Oh, that's Le Comique. Oh, I feel bad.
Who was it?
Le Comique. He's actually chill.
Oh, that was the guy. Oh.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to
feel
go
bad.
grab G?
We got another one coming in, looks like.
There's a tank on the hill behind you guys, by the way.
Oh, he popped countermeasures and then he's going in gun range. Conrad, look, look.
Oh no.
Oh, attack helo. Incoming.
Did he pass over?
Yep, he's coming around though.
Got him disabled.
Nice.
Nice,
oh,
nice.
tank
Oh.
right on us.
Yep.
Okay.
Can't do anything about that.
Come back around, just move away from him if you can.
Hopefully he'll focus me. Yep, he focused me. Nice.
Got one.
Rep it. Oh no, I'm getting shot.
J-dam the other. Did I just kill the guy shooting you with a J-dam? Watch it, more armor coming in, one more vehicle going in there.
Yep, it's down. Oh, wait, that's the AA.
Yeah.
Sorry, Conrad, I just...
Yep,
I'm
do
on
what you
no hit
gotta.
points. Okay, I'm repping. You take over.
They re-manned the tank that's there. There's another one on you.
Wait, there's a tank there?
Yeah, there's...
Oh yeah, so there is.
Oh, our pop GC active. Hang on.
Got him.
Thank you.
Okay,
hold on, I'll
attack
wrap-
chopper
I'll wrap.
just flew over you guys, but oh, there's a tank behind you now.
Oh, I got tanked. Conrad, are you gonna survive this?
Got him.
Apparently, oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna spawn on you. I'm spawn on you.
I got. Alright, we gotta get out of there.
I have to leave
Holy
as well.
shit.
Okay, that's the best cast I've ever provided in this game.
I would say. Off the right. That's them.
You see us?
Nope, nope, nope. Off the right, though.
We're right
Engaging.
there.
Got one of them. Got the other.
Oh, okay, this is a good opportunity. Oh,
Come on.
yes! Okay, limp it back to the regular spot. Oh, we did it! Okay, I'm on you, Jenna, or Conrad, say.
Hang on. Into the smoke. It's infantry over here. Oh, that was a claymore. Okay.
I just stole their chopper.
Which one? Which one? Which bird? Yes! Go, 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 go!
That was the smoothest vehicle steal I've done in my life. Oh,
Oh my god, the attack helo!
oh my
Oh,
gosh!
God.
I'm going for it, I'm going for it.
Okay,
I'll
get in,
join
there,
that.
get in.
Got it.
You have
Watch out,
Gunner.
we're gonna get C4'd.
Got him!
Nice!
No
Yes!
spawn beacon.
Yes, they have no choppers now. Sorry, you guys are heavily damaged because I railed the cockpit in case
No,
any of them
that's
got
good.
in.
Oh, hello. Enemy little bird. Enemy little.
Okay, lasing. Got him. Oh, he popped early.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter as long as I keep. Oh.
Okay, lasing.
Oh, I am out of rockets.
Reloading. Hang on.
Come on, I've got. Okay, here. You know what? I'm just gonna kill him with the gun.
Got him.
Oh, it's empty. It's empty.
I got him.
Jack.
Get in.
Jack, go get it. Jack, you're on no hit points. Come here. Come here. I'll rescue you.
Irrelevant.
Go,
irrelevant. Oh, wait, I got him.
Oh man, nicely done. Was that the AA?
That was the AA. Oh,
There's that little
this is
bird.
our golden opportunity, Conrad. I think that's the base AA. We should be alright. Turn around. Okay, I didn't get him.
Working on it.
I'm
Gosh.
being very reserved with my shooting for obvious reasons.
Okay, I hit him.
Got him,
once.
got him. No, I didn't. That's disabled.
I shot him out.
Okay,
Okay, that thing's going down though.
I got KIA. Can you swap to pilot? Yeah.
Yep, unfortunately though, we are not in a good way.
That's fine. I can ref when I spawn on you. There's an LAV between you and the base, by the way.
I see it, and yeah.
Have no way of engaging. It's fine. I'm refing. I don't think the AA scrub repairs.
Oh god. Nope, that didn't work.
I do this all the time. It makes Jeno so annoyed. He's like, why are you trying to latch at the building? Like, it's a helipad. Perfect, right? Oh yeah. Yeah.
Shoot.
Perfect. Perfect.